what's going to happen in the next 3 days. So if this is the first time you've ever seen me, hi, I'm Brianna, and I'm a psychic medium, and I have a message for the collective. And if you're seeing this video, that means you're part of the collective. So I'm going to let you know what I see happening for you within the next 3 days, and then I'm going to give you some signs and synchronicities at the end of this video. And there are things to look out for within 24 hours of seeing this video. And if you see all 3 things that I tell you, then this video is definitely for you. And let's get into the message. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is that within the next 3 days, now this could be as soon as today, or it could be like the very last day, but within that 3-day period, I'm seeing that you're going to be getting together with friends, and this could be as simple as just like a group text message, or it could be like you're literally planning on like doing something with your friends, okay? Like I said, this is a collective reading, so I can't give you the exact details because it'll be different for all of you, but it's that general feel, like there's going to be like a get-together with friends. And I feel like when that happens, there's going to be some really good news revealed. Okay? One of your friends are going to have just amazing news, or it could be you telling your friends your amazing news. But this is like a beautiful new beginning that is going to be shared amongst each other. And it's big. It's like for some people that's like telling everyone they're pregnant, or telling everyone they got engaged, or telling someone they got into like a new position at work. Like it's a big change. It's a big new beginning. Like maybe you're buying a house and you're going to tell your friends, or they're going to tell you something. But I'm seeing that this really amazing news, and you guys are all going to be really excited. Like it's exciting news. Okay, that's the first thing that I see happening. The second thing that I see happening within 3 days, I'm seeing somebody coming back into your life from the past. And I feel like this time when they come back in, it's with the intention to tell you their true feelings. So, like I said, this is a collective reading. So what are the feelings? Well, I don't know, because I'm reading all of you. So for some of you, the truth will come out. How this person feels about you, the truth will come out. Emotions will run wild. It's going to be kind of like an intense conversation. For some of you guys, it's going to be like amazing. It's going to be like, oh my God, you love me. Like, that's amazing. For others, who knows? It's just like how they really feel about you. And it's going to be an emotional conversation. Like it's going to pack a punch, and they've been thinking about coming in your life for a while to tell you these things. And within the 3 days, that's the time. That's like when the universe is like going to bring that to fruition. Okay. Now, the other thing that I'm seeing happening within 3 days of watching this video is that somebody's going to be giving you a gift, okay? Now, a gift can be a lot of different things. For some of you guys, it's quite literal. Like maybe your birthday's coming up and you're literally going to be receiving a present. For others, this is more of like an energetic gift where it's like maybe you're told the perfect piece of information that you needed to hear to help you get to like the next step in life. Or maybe somebody gives you the gift of presence. Like their presence is like going to help you through something. Or it could just be as simple as like flowers. Like maybe somebody sends you flowers. Maybe you're in line at Starbucks and someone buys your coffee, right? So the ways that this can manifest are unlimited. So keep an open mind there, because that gift can come to you in a lot of different ways, okay? The last thing that I'm seeing is that you're going to have a decision to make, and I feel like it's like a negotiating thing. And for some of you guys, this is going to be very serious. Like there's like literal paperwork you have to sign. But with others, this is more of just like okay, we've been putting off this problem for a while, and it's time to sit down and figure it out. So I'm seeing like a serious conversation happening with like negotiating, compromising, possibly like contracts being signed as well. And I feel like this has been bothering you for a long time. So having this taken care of is going to pull this weight off your shoulders, and you're going to feel a lot better. Okay. I'm feeling like within 7 months, after all this happens, within 7 months, things are going to get really good. Okay, it's kind of like you've been in a rut, and within 7 months, you're going to get out of that rut, and you're going to start seeing big changes in your life that are going to have positive impacts, okay? So that's what I'm seeing happening for you within 3 days of seeing this video. Now, here's the fun part, the signs and synchronicities. If you see these things in any way, shape, or form within 3 days or within 24 hours of seeing this video, then this is definitely for you. So if you like this kind of thing, it's pretty fun. Make sure to follow me, or if you just vibe with my energy, make sure to follow me, because I post this stuff all the time and it's a good time.